Overseeing solar panel installations across multiple sites is rarely simple. Sites spread across towns. Procurement records buried in spreadsheets. Maintenance updates lost in endless emails. But what if every installation, every procurement update, and every maintenance task could be seen on one live, interactive map, everything clear, connected, and updated in real time? That's where MAPOG comes in. It brings your entire solar project into focus. Just upload your site data and instantly visualize every location on an interactive map, with tasks and completion forms built in. It's a clear shift from how most teams still operate. Spreadsheets and emails may work for a few sites, but as projects grow, they quickly fall behind. Installations, procurement, and maintenance end up scattered across rows, tabs, and inboxes, leaving you searching instead of managing. With story.mapog.com, you can bulk upload your sites via CSV or Excel. No re-entry, no duplication, just fast, accurate site integration. Customization, icons, and visual clarity. Once your sites are uploaded, you can add descriptions and images for key details in each location. Turn map points into meaningful visual markers with custom icons so every site is easier to recognize. Task assignment. When it's time to take action, everything happens directly from the map. Add maintenance task to ensure everything is working properly. Procurement task to verify if materials arrived on time, or installation tasks with assigned members so your team knows exactly where to go and what needs to be done. It's all mapped and assigned in seconds. You can also create completion forms for each task, so nothing gets missed. Deliveries are verified, conditions recorded, and photos or videos attached before the task is closed. Group, filter and sort. As your data grows, staying organized becomes just as important. Group your sites based on attributes, filter them by installer, status, and more, and sort them by live location or place name. This makes it easier to focus on nearby sites, reduce travel time, and prioritize the most critical clusters first. Field access. Out on the field, your team stays completely in sync. Using the MAPOG Contributor app, they can head straight to their assigned tasks, filter tasks by status, priority, and more, update task status, and fill in completion forms with photos, videos, and more as proof, without any back and forth. Monitoring and inspecting. Back in the dashboard, everything comes together. Admins stay in control, filter tasks by status, assignees, and more, review location updates, completion forms, update status and track progress, all from one central dashboard. Add new sites. And as new sites come in, simply upload them again. With unique IDs or auto-generated IDs, MAPOG ensures no duplication, every site stays accurate and up to date. Preview and share. Sharing is seamless too. Give your team the right level of access. Whether they need to simply view it or actively make updates as editors. Need to go beyond your team. Share through a public link or embed directly into your internal system or website. With MAPOG, managing solar panel installations isn't just organized, it's intuitive. One map, total clarity, and every task aligned in real time. Ready to simplify your solar workflow? Start building at story.mapog.com. For styling or presentation help, contact support at mapog.com.